Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to install the X app, formerly known as Twitter, on your Mac using the latest method that works like a charm. Let's jump right in. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock, or by using Spotlight Search. To open Spotlight, press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, head to the official site by typing x.com in the address bar and hitting Return. Now here's the key step. Go to the top menu bar, click on File, and choose Add to Dock. A small window will pop up allowing you to rename the shortcut if you'd like. I'll leave it as X and click Add. You'll now see the X icon appear directly in your dock, just like a regular app. Here's the cool part. When you click that icon, X opens in a standalone window, separate from Safari. Even if you close Safari completely, the X app stays open and works independently, just like a real app. Let's test it out. I'll quit Safari, and as you can see, X is still running smoothly in its own window. If you're using an older version of macOS and don't see the Add to Dock option in Safari, no worries. I've included a link in the video description that explains an alternative method you can use. And that's it. You now have the X app installed and working on your Mac like a native application. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this, and feel free to drop your questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.